In this video, we're going to find the circumference of these two different circles, or I suppose sort of circles, because they're not the best drawn circles. But one of them has a diameter of 4 meters, and the other has a diameter of 1.5 meters. All right, so how do we do this? Well, in order to find the circumference of a circle where we're given the diameter, we use the formula circumference equals pi multiplied by diameter. And you always want to start out by writing out your formula. This way you know what you're doing. Okay, it's really critical. So for this, we're going to use substitution. For pi, we're going to use 3.14. And you should always use 3.14 unless you're told otherwise. And we're going to multiply that by the diameter, which is 4. And this would be an appropriate place to use a calculator. And so circumference here is going to equal 12.56 meters. And that would be the circumference of that circle. For the circle that we have the radius for, we're going to say that circumference equals 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius. And if you just want to double 1.5 to 3, if that's easier for you, and to just say circumference equals pi times diameter, that's perfectly fine as well. In this case, I'm going to write it out. This is going to be 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 1.5. And once again, I'm going to find myself using a calculator. And I'm going to find out that circumference here equals 2 meters. Okay, and this would be giving the answer, we didn't have to round in this case, but giving the answer in numerical, giving it using numbers. There's also another way that we can give this answer, and the way we would give this answer is what's known as in terms of pi, and pi is pi, by the way. Okay, so if I was asked to answer this question, finding the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 4 meters, well, what I could say is that that's the same as the circumference would equal 4 multiplied by pi. And that's all I would have to do. That's my answer in terms of pi. In other words, you're not being asked to do the multiplication here. It's assumed that you will be able to do that multiplication accurately because it will be occurring on a calculator. And it has other uses, as we will see as well, why we would give our answer in terms of pi. For this example, if we wanted to give our answer in terms of pi, we would need to double this 1.5. And 1.5 doubled would be 3. And by the way, we do need our units. This would be 4 pi meters. That's what we were working in. So for this example, to give our answer in terms of pi, we wouldn't multiply it out. We would just say, circumference equals pi times diameter. In this case, the diameter would be 3. Once again, 1.5 doubled is 3, and then the pi symbol, and then our units, in this case meters. It could be feet, could be inches, what have you. All right.